everybody, it's Chris Buteau with Cleveland Street Mortgage, and by the way, I'm a Tottenham fan now, but I do have this Chelsea jersey. Anyway, just wanted to answer the question: can you roll closing costs into a VA loan? You know, that question comes up from time to time, and it's confusing, I think, sometimes because it's kind of a yes and no answer. You know, VA often comes with a funding fee. You know, unless you're exempt, typically you're only exempt if you have some level of VA disability. A lot of people do have that, and they're exempt from the VA funding fee in its entirety. But most vets won't be exempt. You know, so they will pay the VA funding fee, and it can be considerable. And that fee is rolled in. You are able to finance that in. So if you're, let's say you're getting 100% VA financing and you were paying $500,000 for a house, you get a $500,000 VA loan. That's the base loan amount, but then the final loan amount would be $500,000 plus whatever VA funding fee you have. You know, and that funding fee can be upwards of 3.25 points or so. You know, so it's significant, but it doesn't take additional cash for you to close because it is rolled into the loan. It is a real cost. It does eat into your equity, but it is added to the loan. It doesn't require you to bring that cash in. But that's generally the only cost that you can roll in. So all the other typical funding fees, including if you pay points to buy down the rate, appraisal, title, escrow, all of the typical fees, credit report, are going to be on top of whatever other cash you have to bring in. Now, if it's a zero down VA loan, it's zero plus whatever those closing costs would be. And so just be aware of that. Those are typically not able to be rolled in. Now, if you're refinancing, generally, you can roll certain costs in if you're going VA to VA or if you're doing a VA cash out. There are ways to roll those costs in, but on a purchase transaction, you typically can't roll the cost in. You can have the seller pay them up to certain limits, so you can negotiate the seller to pay those closing costs, or you can take a higher interest rate above market, so you can willingly take a rate above market in exchange for lower closing costs, and so that can reduce your cash to close also. Hope that helps. Thanks so much.